Hi everyone! Today we'll be making 3 different strudels. They'll be delicious. Sandra is making strudel with plum jam and apples. Vlad is making strudel with apples, nuts, and raisins. And I'm making strudel with cottage cheese. For this, we need ready-made Filo dough.
Butter, which will later need to be melted to grease the Filo pastry sheets. You will also need milk, sugar, vanilla sugar, and 1 egg. While the kids are cutting up the peeled apples, I'll mash the cottage cheese and add milk, sugar, and an egg. Then mix thoroughly. You can add cinnamon to taste. While the kids are mixing the filling ingredients, I'll melt the butter in the microwave. Now we'll brush each sheet of Filo dough with melted butter. There should be 3 to 5 sheets for each strudel. Brush the surface of the roll with melted butter. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 to 350 F, convection mode for about 30 minutes. Remove the finished strudel from the oven and let it cool slightly, then dust it with powdered sugar.